What's up, guys? Here's the deal. You gotta pick what platform you want to use for your motivated seller leads website. So we got two choices. You can go with ClickFunnels or you can go with Carrot. Now Carrot, they've been around for quite a bit and they have their wholesaling websites dialed in. So that's all they do. They also branched out into real estate agents, but for the main part, getting motivated seller leads is all they focus on 100%. So if that's what you want to do, Carrot is a great platform. They have 3 different plans. If you want to focus on long-term SEO strategies as well, I would actually go with Carrot over ClickFunnels, as Carrot is just dialed in on SEO. They have content marketing packs you can get, and that's going to help you rank in Google higher than your competitors. So you can check out their plans here, and they're going to have sites pre-done for you. So you can just select the type of site you want based on what it looks like, fill in a little bit of info, and then it's going to build that site for you in just a few minutes. With ClickFunnels, you're getting an all-around marketing platform. So outside of your motivated seller leads funnel, you can also create other funnels for different ventures. If you wanted to branch out into affiliate marketing in the future, if you wanted to do different products, if you wanted to try doing some upsells, downsells, stuff like that. And you can also create courses in ClickFunnels. So if you had any interest in creating a course, maybe selling a course in the future, or wanted to learn marketing, I would actually go with ClickFunnels because they're an all-around marketing platform. They have some of the best funnel training and marketing training available. Highly recommend the One Funnel Away Challenge just to learn more overall. But either way you go, you can't really go wrong. I use ClickFunnels myself. That's what this funnel was built on. I have used Carrot. I tested them out and was super impressed. Their website speed is crazy fast, and all the content is pre-done for you. Plus, they drip content out automatically, so you can set it up to post 1 blog post a week. And over time, that's just going to improve your Google ranking. And SEO traffic is free, so you can't beat that long-term strategy. It might take 6 to 12 months to get to that point, but after that, you'll be benefiting from those long-term SEO strategies. So the choice is yours. If you go with ClickFunnels, I'm going to get with you and actually build out a custom funnel for you for free based on the template that you saw. If you want to get a Carrot site, you can just click the Carrot button and go sign up, and actually you can build your site right inside of Carrot yourself. So they make it pretty easy. You just select the design you like and they'll build that site for you in a couple minutes, and you'll have 12 pages done. So whatever route you want to go, you're going to get Chirply 100% free. I'm going to be emailing you some info of what Chirply is going to help you with. Basically, when you set up your motivated seller leads funnel, you can get a local number and set up some automations. You can set up a text message autoresponder, an inbound IVR to help you save time and increase conversions both on your website, and if you use any banded signs, if you post those up at any properties, stuff like that, Chirply's awesome. It also does cold calling. It's got a power dialer. You can dial right from your browser. You can drop ringless voicemails, send bulk text messages, and all kinds of crazy goodness in it. We integrate with Zapier. So either way you go, when you get your motivated seller lead site, you're getting Chirply free, because I became an affiliate of both these platforms. I know these are both solid platforms, so you can't really go wrong. Just depends if you are really just focused on getting motivated seller leads, or you might want to branch out in the future. In which case I would go with ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels personally, but Carrot is super solid if you're strictly focused on real estate. So choice is yours. Your next move is to just pick which route you want to go and click one of these buttons here. If you want to go with ClickFunnels, click this black button. If you want to go with Carrot, click the orange one, and then we'll take it from there. After you sign up, I'm going to give you your Chirply login. You'll have access to that 100% free as long as you stay active on either one of these platforms. And if you do sign up with ClickFunnels, we'll need to get together so I can customize your funnel for you, and we'll go from there. But that's it. Basically, now we'll just get to work and start getting the motivated seller leads. I have a software support group which you can join. So after this is all done, I'll give you an invite link to that. I'll send you a link to our Chirply onboarding bot. You can get set up today as soon as you finish picking which platform you want to use. So I'll see you on the other side. My name is Derek Johnson, Try Johnson Marketing Solutions. Appreciate you taking the time and showing interest in this opportunity. So look forward to working with you, and appreciate it.